What's up, YouTube? Crowd from Carbs and Curbs here, and I wanted to show you how I repair the holes in my shoes with the original Shoe Goo. Before we get into it, like, comment, share, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell for notifications of new content. What I got here is a pair of stray Stanleys from a while back that I customized myself. Stuff the tongues with extra cotton. Got a bowl of ice water here to keep the Shoe Goo from sticking to my fingers. And this layer of Shoe Goo over a sticker is peeling up, so I decided that I'm going to put another layer over the top and just smooth it out. So that's what you're going to see here today. So like I said, I put a sticker here first, and then I put Shoe Goo over the sticker, and now the whole Shoe Goo layer is ripping up. My best tip is to put a big old glob down. Get your fingers really wet with cold water and spread it with one sweep. Here we go. Got a liberal amount here. I'm going to start right here at the top. As you can see, I use quite a lot of Shoe Goo here. So here we go. I'm gonna press it down. Just press it down. The more that you touch it, the cloudier it's gonna get. So if you want a really clean looking patch up, you don't want to touch it a bunch. I have to use this as abrasive to hold down this patch here. And I'm even going to put another glob down over the top of that. We're using a lot of Shoe Goo here today, folks. Quick reminder, you guys should definitely do this outside. Breathing this stuff in is toxic. Always have the supervision and permission from an adult before using caustic materials. Safety first. Literally, none of it sticking to my fingers because my fingers are wet. I recommend also, if you can, get some plastic gloves. I unfortunately did not. So, showing you what I'm doing here. It's not for everybody. Some people at this point just be like, just get a new pair of shoes, man. I didn't even break through the Volt kit in these. But unfortunately, these are canvas. Canvas skates through a lot faster than suede. Honestly, if you wanted to, you could cover your whole shoe with this. But that's a lot of money. A lot of fumes. Not bad. This stuff actually dries pretty fast. So, but it cures 24 hours. Definitely a 24-hour cure. This is like a 3D action coming out of my shoe. This is my local skate shop, Pineski's. As always, support your local. Yeah, man. Nice fatty glob of Shoe Goo on the side of my shoe. Protect my kick flips and ollies. Every time I think that I'm good, I just keep on throwing more and more Shoe Goo on. And this stuff is like $4 a tube. So I don't feel too bad wasting it or going too heavy on it. Again, you want the cleanest, you want to just get it on one sweep. Me, because I didn't, it's very cloudy in some spots, but it'll still be pretty cool when it dries, honestly. More than stoked on it. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this. Honestly, you can cover little holes like this. That's what this Shoe Goo is ideal for. I had a huge hole on this side, and I decided to throw a sticker over that, and then throw Shoe Goo over that. And obviously, it didn't put enough Shoe Goo down the first time, and it started peeling up. So here we go. Got a nice 3D shoe coming at you now. Look at how much comes out on the side. Holy smokes. That should be pretty wild when I do a couple ollies. Might be jinxing myself. Hopefully it doesn't peel up like the last one did. I think I put down plenty of layers though, so we'll see. Yeah. I highly recommend repairing your shoes if you can, if you don't skate through the bulk and you just skate through the canvas. Shoe Goo is where it's at. Don't know where I put the cat. That's not good. What's the hat? There it is. Alright. Cool. Like I said, this will dry in probably 10-15 minutes, but you want a full cure on this. So 24 hours, we'll come back and check on it. So 24 hours have passed, and here's the result. Like I said, it came out pretty cloudy because I touched it a bunch. But if you only put on like a couple layers and smooth it out with a couple swipes, it'll look a lot better than this. I'm still stoked on it. I'm still anxious to see how it skates. This is the second to last pair of stray shoes I ever bought. I will be breaking down that collection in an upcoming video. I'm really excited to skate these again. Because like I said, I didn't even skate through the bulk on these shoes. I just skated through the side patch. So I'll be breaking those down soon. So be on the lookout for that. Well done. Stay tuned for more of this upcoming season on Carbs and Curbs. As always, support your local. Thanks for watching.